In today's video, awesome people, I am going to be reviewing some micas that I received from MadMicas. So let's get straight into the video. Hello and good day, I am Natasha. If you don't know, you see it on the box. And the first color we're going into is Sparkle Sunshine. And she is definitely giving sparkle, she's giving gold, she's giving glistening. It's a beautiful gold color. Great to sprinkle on soap as an added accent. You can also mix it in your cold process soap. It's not going to be as sparkly, but you will get a nice little gold color. I think this is a great color to keep, to be honest with you. I did sprinkle it on top of one of my soaps as an accent, and it was very pretty, you guys. Now, if you use melt and pour soap, you're definitely going to see the sparkle in your finished product, but not so much in cold process. Next up is Steelworks. Steelworks is actually described as a bold, steely gray. It does have a little gloss in it, like a little sparkle. This color is great if you're trying to accomplish like a cast iron color for some reason in your soap. One comment on the website says that they use it to achieve a distressed iron look. So this one I'm definitely going to give a try. Next up is Supernova, and I'm gonna need my camera to act right and come into focus. But Supernova is described as a metallic copper that comes to life with cosmic gold flecks throughout, and it is a lot of sparkle. There's a lot of gold flecks in it. I did try to mix a small batch for you so you can see how it looks in soap. Obviously when it cures it's going to look a bit different, but you kind of see a little bit of gloss in it. I am using these colors for a particular project. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I love this color. Next up is Satin Gray Pillowcase Silver Mica, and this is a very beautiful color. You guys, I did use this in cold process soap. It just came out like a regular gray. If you use it in melt and pour soap, you're going to get that little satiny texture finish to it. Here you see me mixing it in so you can get an idea of how it's going to kind of look when you mix it in cold process. So it is a beautiful color. You can lighten and darken it. Honestly, you can achieve that color just mixing activated coconut charcoal and white. But it's a nice color nonetheless, especially if you're using it in melt and pour soap. Next up is Angry Rose. Apparently she's named Rose and she's kind of angry, but it is a very beautiful color. It's described as like a rich velvet curtain color or a sultry color. It is a very rich color. I used it in the cold process, so it gets a bit dark, almost brown. So if you use this and you're trying to achieve that like velvet color, I probably would test your recipe, maybe add something to it to lighten the color up to achieve that light color, because you don't want it to go dark, but it is a beautiful color. Next up is Poppycock, and Poppycock is described as a bright light copper bronze sparkly mica. This is a beautiful color, you guys. This is a very beautiful color. However, this Poppycock color and the previous color that the Supernova, they're very similar in the soaps. Supernova does come out a bit darker than Poppycock, but they're beautiful. And again, like I've stressed before, if you use melt and pour soap, you're going to see the color difference more than in cold process soap, but it's still a rich earthy color. I really love it. I think you would like it too. When I did it in cold process soap, it did lighten up a bit. It did show a distinction. But because of how similar those two colors are, I really do question if I really need both of them. I don't really need both of them. Next up is Satin Penny, and let me tell you something, guys. This has to be one of my favorite micas from MadMicas. It is described as a mint penny, but it has a deeper rich tone and it's a metallic bronze, and it is, look how rich that looks. I use this in my Journey to Mecca African soap because it gives the impression of like a red dirt. It is a beautiful color. Now here's all three colors together, and as you can see, it's all three of the bronzy colors together anyway, and as you can see, it's very difficult to kind of tell the difference. Can you tell the difference? I only need one, so I'm definitely, if I run out of any of the colors, I'm definitely just going to get Satin Penny and lighten and darken it as I please. Now what's so great about MadMicas is that they always send you a little Swedish fish, and they send you a sample. This is called Wicked. I actually have tried this color before, but I would rather use activated coconut charcoal, because I just feel like it's natural, and I don't need a mica, a black mica, when I can use a natural alternative. But it's a nice color. It's black. It has some sparkles in it. I'm not sure why I'm testing it on my skin as if I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. Although some of these micas, if not all, you can use as an eyeshadow, but that's not for this video. Okay? But I just wanted you to know that how MadMicas get down. And by the way, they wrote my name on the box. It wasn't me trying to be cute. It was them. But I appreciate how they send salutations and show appreciation for me making purchases at their store. They also sent me this card. Isn't it nice? This little card has some information on it. If you want to see how I put these colors together and made an awesome soap, please click on the first video at the top right. Please check the description box for links to these colors on MadMicas' website. Please take care of your beautiful skin, protect your energy, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.